complexity theory. Based on the time complexity of algorithms, we are defining this complexity theory. Complexity theory is divided into two classes, that is class P and class NP. Again, class NP is divided into NP complete and NP hard. First we will discuss about the class P. Class P. That means algorithms time complexity is defined in terms of polynomial time. Algorithms time complexity is defined in terms of polynomial time. That means here we are applying the deterministic machine. Deterministic machine means it is result oriented approach. Suppose if we are giving input, then we are getting the output as a result. For example, take the sorting method. Sorting method, we are giving 10 elements for sorting order, then 10 elements are arranged in the sorting. Next, for example, binary search, we are giving 10 elements for searching element. Finally, result is coming that whether element is found in the list or not. So, class P means if we are defining the time complexity in terms of polynomial time, and also you can say that it is a result oriented approach. If we are giving input directly, we are getting the output. Examples are bubble sort, binary search, insertion sort, pick sort, merge sort. So all these are result oriented approach. Matrix multiplication, all these are directly their matrix addition. Matrix multiplication. See, all these we are getting directly. If we are giving input, then we are getting the output. Suppose bubble sort time complexity big O of n square, binary search is big O of log n, and insertion sort big O of n square, and pick sort, randomized pick sort means big O of n square worst case, and average case we are getting big O of n log n, and worst case big O of n square, and merge sort is big O of n log n, and matrix addition we are getting big O of n square, and matrix multiplication we are getting big O of n cube. So these are comes under class P. So these are defined in terms of polynomial time, and these, if we are giving input result oriented approach, we are getting the output, then we can say that class P. Then non-deterministic, next we will discuss about class NP. This defines that non-deterministic polynomial time. Non-deterministic polynomial time. Non-deterministic means there is a chance of getting the solution. There is no guarantee that there is a chance of getting the solution. So optimization problems also comes under non-deterministic polynomial. If the time complexity is comes under non-deterministic polynomial, then it will be defined in non-deterministic polynomial means NP. It will comes under NP. For example, traveling salesman problem. Traveling salesman problem comes under its time complexity is big O of n square into 2 raised to n. All optimization problems comes under this, except minimum cost spanning tree. By using Prim's and Kruskal's algorithm, we are reducing the time complexity. Even knapsack problem time complexity also 2 raised to n by 2. big O of 2 raised to n by 2. So non-deterministic polynomial. So here optimization problems are there. If problem is having multiple solutions, from that we are deriving the solution. So non-deterministic polynomial, traveling salesman problem, this one. Again we have to differentiate class NP complete and NP hard. That means NP complete and NP hard difference means all NP complete problems are NP hard, but all NP hard problems are not NP complete. What is the difference between these two means? First, the problem is in NP, non-deterministic polynomial. By applying some methodology, we are reducing time complexity, we are converting into polynomial type. Then it will come under NP complete. So traveling salesman problem, knapsack problem, and click problem, 3-shack problem, all these problems comes under NP complete. NP hard problem, best example is halting problem. Halting problem means maybe that loop will enter into infinity loop, or it will be continuously executing, or whether we will get the solution or not. So NP hard. Even advanced scientific projects we are doing, ISRO type of projects we are doing. In that we may get the solution or we won't get the solution also. So that those type of problem, advanced scientific problems and halting problems comes under NP hard problem. So finally we will define this in terms of diagram is class P and class NP and NP hard, and this will comes under NP complete. So all NP complete problems are NP hard, but all NP hard problems are not comes under NP. Why? Because suppose we have not found the solution for a particular problem, that comes under NP hard. After finding the solution and its time complexity is reduced to polynomial time, then it will comes under NP complete. So especially optimization problems and advanced scientific problems comes under NP hard. Best example is halting problem, NP hard. So traveling salesman problem, knapsack problem, all these comes under NP complete problems. 3-shack problem, all these things. This is the complexity theory.